Welcome back to KHAIR'S Garage. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little POV ride around the neighborhood and the rebuild that we just did. And ignore all the extravagant drip. You know that way. Got the Alexander McQueen's, Off-White, Balenciaga, Gucci, all that. Then we got the corporate thugging with the Rusty Dusty's over here. And we're going to go ahead and throw these little dusty slippers on and hop in the garage real quick. So, as y'all know, I went ahead and got this thing rebuilt. It's already been recertified and whatnot. All right, y'all, we about to get this little POV ride in. Got my boy Nick with me. Go ahead, shout out your YouTube and Instagram and whatnot.
Instagram polo sweater, that's POHLO sweater. You know, I don't know how to spell sweater right now.
What about YouTube and whatnot?
Shit, same thing on YouTube and everything. Polo sweater, POHLO sweater.
All right, y'all, we gonna hop up in this thing real quick, spin it around the block, get that cold start. That thing loud. It probably cut off because low fuel. Whenever I don't got enough gas, it'll cut off, so it ain't just running. You just unclick that shit.
The windshield already better than mine.
I had a glass dude come put it in not too long ago.
Yeah, I was gonna say this shit look brand new for real.
Yeah, still got the sticker on there right there. Alright, y'all. Bring that beast up. I know my neighbors be hating me when I slide through with this shit.
Extra wide, but it don't seem like it.
Yeah, it's weird because like when you get in it, you like whatever, but when you looking at it, you like dang.
It just look wide though, but
yeah. Slide through here real quick, see what this thing can do. Get your launch on your ass. Fast, boy. You already know when you hit that 0 to 60, this thing be true.
that shit. On the highway, this shit probably fun.
Hell yeah. Like, ever since I had that RT, I just fell in love. Go ahead, little bro, get that ball. Gotta be safe for the kids, y'all. Kids first. She over there stressing, sipping the wine. That shit be crazy. That'd be crazy if I fuck around and run out of gas.
The gas light on?
Yeah. Go by the pool real quick. Might do a donut. I don't know yet. It might be too many cars up there. Ain't too many cars. I don't know if it's gonna hit how it's supposed to, but I'll try this one and then do a little burnout or something. Nah, ain't no space.
Power.
Yeah. Let's see if we can burn out real quick. I feel like the second I try to really do a burnout, something else gonna break and be mad as hell. Watch out for the youngins real quick. Should throw this bitch in track mode. Hold on.
I don't even know what none of this shit is.
Yeah, let's do it. That bitch be taking off.
That should be at my head, hit the back of the seat every time.
That track move go crazy.
That shit fire.
Alright, I'm gonna do just one more little up this way and park this bitch for they call 12. This bitch ain't no hoe.
No, you ain't lying, boy. Damn. This shit crazy.
Park this.
Grip the phone real quick.
That bitch fly out your hand.
I be wondering how the fuck niggas handle this shit when they add.
Crazy ass, like the Hellcat 800, because this only got 500. So imagine that 800,000 horsepower. That shit gotta be crazy.
Niggas start adding other shit too. Like, how, bro? How y'all even handle this? I see why niggas be cruising at like 60. Niggas really be cruising like 80, 90.
You'll barely tap this bitch and it'll go. Park the beats for these niggas trying to call 12. I just know this bitch crooked as hell right now. Let me see if I can even it out. Pull that from real quick. It's the part where you feel like big body for real.
It's the only part for real.
I feel like I ran something over.
Unless you get a 2-car garage.
Yep.
You park that shit right in.
Alright, y'all, that was a quick little ride.
Yeah, it's these.
Oh, yeah. Shit, I forgot to roll the window. I got you.
Crazy.
Yeah. It's that thing. I can't wait to get that Hellcat, though. I just know that shit gonna go crazy. I was going crazy all yesterday, like, damn, where the hell is this key at? But I knew inside the car could have been the only other place for real. Alright, y'all, that's that for that video. Let me know what y'all think down below. We still gotta go take this up to the paint shop tomorrow and get that done. And after that, man, we 100%. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.